What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Caleb McAllister here. I am currently recording this video on my tablet because I wanted to show you guys me unboxing and installing this phone case from Dexnor. The case just arrived in the mail today, and I have not even opened it yet, so I wanted to show you guys the process of installing it. So here is the case packaging. I'm just going to tear this off. Pretty straightforward. Let's read the directions printed on it. Tear off the protective film along with the fingerprint sticker. Put your phone into the front cover. Install the back cover onto the phone. Set the fingerprint ID. Cool. Straightforward enough. All right, so we tear off the protective film. All right, I'm going to disassemble here as gently as I can while still holding it in the frame for you guys. All right, so I removed the screen protector front piece, and I'm going to take this piece of foam out of the main back piece. So we're going to remove that. All right, so we're going to install the phone into the front piece, which should click into place very easily. And now, let me make sure I'm lining this up right. Slide the phone into the case. And click all the pieces together. Looks good. All the seams are even. Nice. There you have it. And we've got the little kickstand here on the back. Yep, touchscreen looks good. Volume buttons, screen button, all working well. Cool. Looks like we're good to go. All set, guys. If you want to check out the Dexnor cases, look at the link below. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you next time. Have a great day, everybody.